Imagine you're about to make a big online purchase. You found the perfect item and you're ready to check out. But then, you're hit with a roadblock. Please provide your ID. Does this scenario sound familiar? If you've ever used paysafe, you might have encountered this question. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of paysafe and answer the burning question, does paysafe require ID? Paysafe is a popular online payment method that offers a convenient way to make transactions without revealing your personal financial information. It's often used for online gambling, gaming, and other digital purchases. But when it comes to ID requirements, things can get a bit murky. The short answer: in most cases, paysafe doesn't require you to provide your ID to make a payment. This is one of the reasons why it's so popular among users who value privacy. The long answer: while the general rule is that ID isn't required, there are a few exceptions to this rule. Age verification: if you're making a purchase that involves age-restricted products or services, like gambling or certain video games, paysafe may require you to verify your age. This is typically done by providing a copy of your ID or using an age verification service *. High-risk transactions: for transactions that are deemed high-risk, paysafe may request additional information, including your ID. This can happen for large transactions or if there are concerns about fraudulent activity *. Regulatory requirements: in some jurisdictions, paysafe may be required by law to collect certain information from users, including their ID. This can vary depending on the specific regulations in place *. It's important to note that these exceptions are not always applied consistently. The specific requirements can depend on a variety of factors, including the merchant, the product or service being purchased, and the user's individual circumstances. Tips for avoiding ID requirements: use prepaid cards. One of the easiest ways to avoid ID requirements with paysafe is to use a prepaid paysafe card. These cards are preloaded with funds and can be used for online purchases without providing any personal information *. Choose low-risk merchants. If you're concerned about ID requirements, try to choose merchants that are known for low-risk transactions. This can help reduce the chances of being asked for additional information *. Check merchant policies. Before making a purchase, it's always a good idea to check the merchant's terms and conditions to see if they have any specific ID requirements *. So, to answer the question, does paysafe require ID? The short answer is no, in most cases. However, there are exceptions to this rule, and the specific requirements can vary depending on a variety of factors. If you're concerned about ID requirements, it's always a good idea to be prepared and have the necessary information on hand. By following the tips we've discussed, you can help minimize the chances of being asked for your ID when using paysafe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.